Για να τα ξαναπούμε λοιπόν. Α, Β, Γ, Δ, Ε, Ζ, Ι, Θ, Ι, Κ, λάμδα, μη, νη, ξι. Όμικρον. The sound is O, like in the word Orestis. Okay? Like the article for masculine things, people, etc. O Petros. O. Okay? Omicron P. Uppercase, lowercase. The sound is P. Like in the word porta, the door. Porta. Like in the wallet. Portofoli. Portofoli. Omicron P. Ro. Ro. Lowercase, an omicron with the line on the left. Ro. The sound is R. Like in the word nero, like rima, the verb. Ri, μη και αλφα, ρήμα, ρήμα. Πύρο, σίγμα, capital, upper case. Lower case, it's like an O that stretches its arm because other letters will follow. Beginning of the word, if it's with not in the beginning of the phrase, or in the middle of a word. But if the word ends with the S sound, then we have to put this, which is really easy. Λοιπόν, the sound is S. Sometimes when we have special kind of consonants, it changes. Όπως τη λέξη σημαία. Σημαία. Easier. Σήμερα. Σήμερα. Today. Σήμερα. Tough. And not tau that I hear. Tough. Uppercase, lowercase, like a small table. The line does not cross. It is a table. Okay. The sound is T. Όπως τη λέξη τώρα. Now. Τώρα. Okay. Σίγμα ταφ ύψιλον. Lowercase. Pay attention. This is ypsilon. The sound is E. Ooh. Like in the word υπέροχος, wonderful, masculine. Υπέροχος. Σίγμα ταφ ύψιλον, φι. Round thing with a line vertical. Phi, uppercase, lowercase, a smaller on the line, and then this, or just going around and towards down. Phi, the name of the letter, the sound is f. Like in the word phos, the light, phos. One more time from the beginning. Alpha, A, Β, Β, Γ, Γ, Δέλτα, Β, Έψιλον, Ε, Ζήτα, Ζ, Ήτα, Ι, Θήτα, Θ, Ιώτα, Ι, Κάπα, Κ, Λάμδα, Λ, Μη, Μ, Νι, Ν, Ξι, Ξ, όμικρον, Ο, Πι, Π, Ρο, Ρ, Σίγμα, Σ, Ταφ, Τ, Ήψιλον, Ι, Φι, Φ. Και τα δύο τελευταία, Χ, uppercase, lowercase, or even like that, it's okay. The sound is H, like how, like happy, like Heathrow, like the word, the place next to Milina, Horto, Horto, Horto. Φύχη, ψι, ψι, lowercase on the line, the vertical. The difference is this is open, this is closed. Ps, the sound like this. Like in the word psi, psi, ho, lo, γεια. Ψυχολογία. Και omega, the easiest way is make an omicron and then line under, that's uppercase, and lowercase is like an epsilon, that's sleeping. Okay? Sound always O, like in the word ώρα. Ώρα. Τι ώρα είναι? Οκ. Αυτή λοιπόν είναι η αλφάβητος. Θα την πούμε άλλη μια φορά. So, αλφα, Α, Αθήνα, Β, Β, Βόλος, Γάμα, Γ, Γάτα, Δέλτα, Δώρο, Έψιλον, Ελλάδα, Ζήτα, Ζ, ζάχαρη, Ήτα, Ι, ήλιος, Ι, Ελένη, Θήτα, Θ, θέατρο, Ιώτα, Ι, Ίος, Κάπα, Κ, Κος, Κώστας, Λάμδα, Λ, λεμόνι, Μη, Μ, μόνα, Νι, Ν, νερό, ναι, Ξι, Ξ, ξέρω, ξίδι, όμικρον, Ο, Ορέστης, Ο, Πέτρος, Πι, Π, πόρτα, πορτοφόλι, Ρο, Ρ, ρήμα, Σίγμα, Σ, σημαία, σήμερα, Ταφ, Τ, τώρα, Ήψιλον, Ι, υπέροχος, Φι, Φ, φως, Χ, Χ, χόρτο, Ψι, Ψ, ψυχολογία, ψάρι, also, ψωμί, also, και ωμέγα, the sound is O, like in the word ώρα. Αυτά λοιπόν, ελπίζω να σε βοήθησε, τα λέμε στο μάθημα. Φιλιά πολλά!